We returned to gold, and in this video we opened a sell due to a pushback from the trend line, a breakout and retest of the level, and an engulfing candle from the Japanese formations. Because of these three things, we can enter a position with a slightly larger volume of the account, thus we will realize a larger profit. Use money management when trading. We have a strong downward movement in gold, which we have defined with the trend line. We have surrounded the level with the white rectangle. The price broke through it and then tested it. That's where it broke away from the trend line. Let's see a few days later how our position develops. Here we are a little later. You can see how the price of gold has fallen, and we've already moved the stop level to positive. Whenever it is a big time frame, use and move stop to plus to guarantee a certain profit. Let's see a few days later how our position develops. We have closed the position because the price went in the opposite direction. We took a good profit, but it is good to wait for this correction and enter again. Hit a like and share the video with friends.